back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy lunches. I'm going to show you 4 recipes that you can take with you. You can enjoy at home. They take absolutely no time at all. They are super easy to meal prep, and they have a lot of nutrients as well as some really great flavors. As always, the recipes will be typed out in the description box below. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you are excited to get into this video, let's go. We are going to start off with my favorite lunch. It is the chili lime quinoa bowl. This is so tasty and again, very versatile. So I put some black beans on mine, some corn, tomato, and lettuce. And I started off with a base of this quinoa. I've made quinoa before on my channel. I make it a little different every single time, but this time was honestly my favorite way of making it. So I went in and put 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of veggie stock. I sprinkled in some cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Brought it up to a boil, let it simmer, and then set for 20 minutes. I have some red onion here and some diced tomatoes, as well as some rinsed black beans and some corn. And then I have some romaine lettuce. And then for my dressing, this is a herb lime creamy dressing. I use the Kite yogurt, a little bit of lime juice, some chili powder, and a little bit of green onion. Then I just assembled my bowl. I will show you how to do this. Honestly, you can make this bowl in whatever way you want, or you could put it in a mason jar and layer everything. Just make sure you put that quinoa on the bottom.
Kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like
Our next lunch is going to be this smashed potato salad, and a lot of you may think that potato salad is a side. As you know, I don't eat meat, so potatoes I load up on. They are super filling, and you might see that my portion sizes are a lot larger. You could definitely add bacon to this, or chicken, or even tofu if you wanted, but I was pretty satiated with just this. So I'm going to start off with my dressing. There is just mayo in there, Kite yogurt, and some diced pickles, along with some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some grated carrot for sweetness and some red onion. And then I'm going to add some peas and some smashed potatoes. I use Fingerling, and I will show you how I do this, but generally I'm going to bake my potatoes at 400 for around 20 minutes, and then I take them out of the oven and I just smash them with a metal spatula. After they have cooled, I just give them a rough chop, and then I add them to my potato salad.
I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever wanted and more. I wanna level out, order something and stay in.
Our next bowl I shared with my son. He is going to have that salmon, and I'm going to have some extra chickpeas. But basically, you are laying some salmon, broccoli, chickpeas, and some basil on top of some brown rice. Now, a lot of you may think basil is a strange ingredient, but it really complements this barbecue sauce. It is so tasty. So what you're going to start off with is a sheet pan, and you're going to put some salmon on there, some garbanzo beans rinsed, and some frozen broccoli. You're going to put some olive oil, salt, and pepper on those beans and the broccoli, and then you are going to put a generous helping of your favorite barbecue sauce on that salmon. You're going to bake this at 400 for 15 minutes, or however you want your salmon to be cooked. And then you are, in the meantime, going to cook your brown rice. And you will see I like to put some of that Better Than Bouillon veggie stock into my rice. That means I don't have to add any salt or anything like that. It gives it a really, really tasty, savory flavor. And I'm just going to assemble my bowl. I'm going to give my salmon to my son. He absolutely loves it. And I'm going to serve mine with some extra vegetables.
Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. And my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. Well, my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you.
So our final lunch is going to be this BLT pasta salad. I saw this on Pinterest and thought to myself, this would be so tasty with my favorite vegan bacon. You, of course, can use regular bacon if you would like. And I don't know about you, but pasta salad for some reason reminds me of picnics and spring. So although I am a lover of the snow, it got me in a happy mood to see some sunshine and eat outdoors. So I started off with chopping up my bacon and crisping it on a frying pan, and then I'm boiling 2 cups of whole grain penne. And here are the ingredients. So I have boiled my penne, that is ready to go. And you will need a few herbs and spices. This is a pretty basic pasta salad. You, of course, could add avocado to this or hemp seeds, but I'm going to start off with a base of my whole grain penne, and then I'm going to put some tomatoes in there, as well as some crispy benevolent bacon from Sweet Earth. It is so tasty. I used to fry this up and use it as beef jerky just for some added protein throughout the day. You are going to sprinkle on some dill weed, as well as everything but the bagel seasoning. If you don't have this, just put some salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and you are good to go. And then you are going to add a tablespoon or 2 of the just mayo. And if you are taking this to work or maybe using it the day after, keep your lettuce on the side and just serve it together. And you have a tasty, filling BLT pasta salad.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Ain't nobody like you.
Alrighty everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you got some inspiration for your lunches. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Nearest town.